New channeling topics. Wave 9, Nebula Continuum. Ninth stream of themes for long-form channelings, 1215K, woven with Arcturian philosophy, Buddhist insight, Christ consciousness, universal unity, NLP tools, biodecoding frames, and numerology keys. Emojis included. No questions inside the texts. Ask for any with Temuno plus number. The Borazar 193. Inner Critic Alchemy. Turning harshness into guidance. Focus. Convert self-attack into accurate feedback and self-leadership. Angles to weave. Parts dialogue, breath before belief, PNL reframe grid, 7 discernment numerology, mirror mercy ritual. Dao 194. Resourced visibility. Scaling reach without draining the field. Focus. Grow audience while guarding energy and coherence. Angles to weave. Launch cadence. Rest buffers, blue flame boundaries, 22 builder numerology, afterglow check-ins. Rodia, 195. The sacred later. Deferred decisions with dignity. Focus. Use strategic postponement to protect quality and peace. Angles to weave. Calendar parking lot, 24-hour rule, 10 reset numerology, scope renegotiation, gratitude close. 196. Curiosity with consent. Learning without intrusion. Focus. Explore people and topics while honoring privacy and autonomy. Angles to weave. Consent gates, reflective listening, 5 freedom numerology, archive ethics, thank you rituals. 197. Dosage of service. How much help is healthy? Focus. Prevent burnout by right-sizing care and contribution. Angles to weave. Capacity audit, 6 care numerology, offer tiers, pause vows, repair windows. Dharmas, 198. Commerce hygiene. Clean energetics of selling and paying. Focus. Keep transactions coherent, kind, and clear. Angles to weave. Refund grace, transparent terms, tithe experiment, 8 reciprocity numerology, receipt blessing right. Dora, 199. Signal words. Language that stabilizes teams. Focus. Install phrases that soothe, focus, and align. Angles to weave. PNL anchors, non-violent scripts, 4 gates of speech, 4 structure numerology, glossary altar. Dosara, 200. Calm sales rooms, field design for enrollment calls. Focus. Set spaces and scripts that reduce pressure and increase truth. Angles to weave. Breath pacing, 2-column scope, 1 leadership numerology, silence pockets, no rush vow. Deirespoke, 201. Rapture of the ordinary. Sanctifying daily tasks. Focus. Turn chores into coherence and gratitude engines. Angles to weave. T-Vigil, water blessing, 3 joy numerology, breath ink notes, celebration tokens. Daktoke, 202. Intermission rituals. Mid-project renewal. Focus. Pause to restore creativity, accuracy, and joy. Angles to weave. 7-minute stillness, body sweep, 5 adaptability numerology, scope audit, recommit ceremony. Da, 203. Mission drift, detox. Realign without drama. Focus. Catch deviation early and steer back to North Star. Angles to weave. Offer ecology map, metric mercy, 139 momentum codes, public recommit vow, afterglow. Nagrigro, 204. Council codes, small group facilitation for truth and care. Focus. Build circles that heal, decide, and create. Angles to weave. Consent checkpoints, roles rotation, 2 partnership numerology, repair windows, gratitude close. 205. Sunset ceremonies, retiring offers with grace. Focus. End products cleanly and honor past buyers. Angles to weave. Legacy access, upgrade bridges, 9 closure numerology, thank you letters, archive vault. Drucker 206. Sovereign philanthropy, giving with clarity. Focus. Donate without depletion or savior patterns. Angles to weave. 8 stewardship numerology, scope vows, transparency notes, gratitude ledger, impact review. Darpaskar 207. Reputation resurrection. Repair after a misstep. Focus. Restore trust through truth, amends, and time. Angles to weave. Confession window, refund options, four-structure numerology, testimonial ethics, audit ritual. 208. Listening rooms. Spaces devoted to hearing. Focus. Hold containers where being heard is the product. Angles to weave. Silence vows, reflective mirroring, 7 discernment numerology, time boundaries, closing prayer. Mko. 219. The clean cut. No contact as medicine. Focus. Implement firm boundaries without cruelty. Angles to weave. Notice letter. Object return right. 9 closure numerology. Safety plan. Witness support. Dervrai. 210. Dream-led strategy. Night guidance into day decisions. Focus. Translate dream symbols into ethical tactics. Angles to weave. Dream ink ledger. Number code 999 overlays. 11 inspiration numerology. Soft experiments. Review ritual. 211. Viral weathering. Nervous system safety at scale. Focus. Handle sudden attention. Spikes with grace. Angles to weave. Message triage. Pause buttons. 5 freedom numerology. Moderation team. Aftercare. 212. Translating light. Bridging spiritual and mainstream language. Focus. Communicate depth without jargon or bypass. Angles to weave. Plain speech passes. Metaphor bank. 22 builder numerology. Audience attunement. Feedback loops. 213. Proximity and privacy. Access without overexposure. Focus. Stay reachable while keeping sacred space intact. Angles to weave. Office hours, DM policy, 4 gates of speech, 5 freedom numerology, boundary signage. Darda. 214. Grief-informed business. Trading while tender. Focus. Operate ethically through loss and transition. Angles to weave. Pace vows, backup hosts, 6 care numerology, client updates, rest grace. Baika. 215. Data deletion rights. Privacy as ceremony. Focus. Retire files and lists with reverence and clarity. Angles to weave. Archive windows, consent receipts, 9 closure numerology, witness log, thank you prayer. 216. Beginner's crown. Perpetual student mastery. Focus. Keep humility and curiosity central to growth. Angles to weave. Learning sprints, mentor gratitude, 11 inspiration numerology, practice logs, graduation loops. 1. Usage note, ask for any item by number with Dame Uno plus number. Delivery in English with emojis, Arcturian, Buddhist, Christ consciousness, unity wisdom, PNL tools, biodecoding frames, numerology keys, real-life stories, techniques, and simple rituals.